Ramon Santiago Jr., June Versosa Jr. Fourth referee is Anthony Lunar. The tip going to the side of the guys in white. Pabantang tira. Pasok yan para kay Andre Acop.
You've been there, right?
Yeah. I've been there 3 times. Couple of times.
You want to be able to take advantage of what seems like a depleted Pasig City team. I'm interested how Warlo Batak will be playing today's ball game. Before the start of the game, actually, parang kaibigan niya lahat ng taga Bulacan because he is a hometown hero in Bulacan. Makata Cup, if I'm not mistaken.
Yun. Mark Barrera for free. Puts it in. Gian Llanes. And these are the games that Pasig City is supposed to win. Especially if they won.
But they're only 3 games behind number 6. But they're also 3 games ahead of number 11. So they don't want to be out of that playoff race. And one team that's knocking on the door is the Bulacan Puyas.
Bulacan, they're actually on the brink of elimination already because they are up by 8 points. Makes his move, pulls up, short. Offensive rebound and put back from March De Leon. Batak, pocket pass to Mark Lopez. Found himself open. The follow-up by Batak is good, plus the foul. The blueprint that he has laid out this year for Pasig City. 3 game winners. You were part of 2, I think.
Yes. Successful Yung subok, ibang tanong yon.
Hindi pa ang hirap kasi gawin yan.
Mahirap.
Pabandang tira, pasok yan para kay Jem Cruz. Aaron, their second leading scorer, has missed their past couple of games. Fade away jumper. Pasok yan para kay Kenneth Castillo. Chance to go up by double figures. But they throw it away. Nice. Assist up ahead. Mintis lang. Pinagkait ng assist si Warlo Batak.
But here he is making the stop.
Jeff Cruz. Sumalaksak sa loob. Lays it in. Too strong. Pasig City dodging a bullet. Jerome Garcia. Thought he got fouled. There was a bump but no whistle. Cruz. Kicks it out. Jonathan Medina, who's been shooting decently from that distance, knocks down a 3. Bawi naman agad sa kabila si Jerome Garcia in the first quarter. And Castillo, kanina pa nalilibre yung mga outside shots na itong Bulacan.
27 points is too much para dito sa Pasig. They've been giving up a lot of points. The same way they did against Abra, they're struggling in the first quarter defensively.
Flat start ulit para sa Pasig. Benedictus bumitaw sa 3. Got the friendly bounce.
Sila pwedeng maliitin. So even the big teams prepare well for Bulacan because this is a team that really competes hard.
Warlo Batak takes off. He will score despite the contact and a bonus free throw coming up because mukha daw yun, nakasupal si Japs Bautista. Estacio decelerating and scoring for Pasig.
Good shot attempts para dito sa Pasig, just could not get anything going.
D-zone off the nice bounce pass from Andre Acop. Acop dumps it down low. Pumersa sa ilalim si March De Leon. Too strong on the attempt. But the follow-up is good from Nico D-zone.
Right now, parehas, 21. But here in the second quarter,
mas madami.
Good extra pass.
Batak. The pass to Galicia. Jacob Galicia with back-to-back baskets.
Just because of his pure patience.
Saka gusto ko kay Jacob Galicia. Ito, isa rin yan. A big with the ability to run the floor. Weavers in our second game. Jeff Cruz, nakawala. Goes for the reverse. Lays it in, plus the foul. Against the Negros Hacienderos. Batak, pass to Jerome Garcia. Shoots it over Andre Acop.
Basic basketball, but sometimes it's the one that will work. Hustle by Batak will give them a fast break.
Warlock Batak tried to slam it down. But good thing, nobody from Bulacan went back. Pagkakataon na tumabla o lumamang para sa Pasig City. Late yung pasa. Galicia was free. Instead, a 4-point swing. March De Leon.
Guys will continue to run, so if you have an error, then do expect that there is something easy coming the other way.
Galicia again.
Now, one thing that's working for them is points in the paint. That's point number 24. Pero sa kabilang panig, they're only using 7 seconds of the shot clock.
Galicia sizing up the defense of March De Leon. Fadeaway jumper by Galicia is good. Garcia. Runner from Jay Gars. He hits it and ties the ball game up at 43 apiece.
I want to see how Mike Lambino will be healthy here. How he can help, but so far, the first thing he does, he could bother the shot. So here against taller guys, much more talented, hindi pa siya fully nakaka-adjust in that sense.
Jacob Galicia heating up in the second quarter. Piling up the points, 46-45. Medina, a 36% three-point shooter, knocks down his second three.
Quarter, etong Bulacan.
Tumatakbo ang Pasig City. Give and go. The connection between Garcia and Jacob Galicia. Tumatakbo ulit ang Pasig City. Good pass. Galicia now has 22 points.
4 straight points off of the fast break para kay Jacob.
First taste of the lead for Pasig City. Off the glass and in. Jim Cruz.
Pasig is forcing them to play very slow offensively. You see the defense that they are playing in. It's not really natural for Bulacan to play that way.
That being an MPBL All-Star starter was actually one of his biggest goals for this season. Kwento rin ni Coach Arvin that the running joke within the Pasig team is that they didn't expect Warlo. They will fight for him too. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, G. I remember Warlo Batak during that game against Mikawayan Marilao. Jacob Galicia, by the way, doon sila sa Malolos, Bulacan. They were up by 16 against Mikawayan and eventually lost that one. Really took it hard. Already revealed the All-Star reserves for both the North and the South Division. Jay Gars to Aaron Estacio. Bautista. Blocked by Benedictos.
Yung short hesitation niya eh.
59-58. Past the halfway mark of the third. Romanes strokes in a three from the right corner. Bulacan forced to execute in the half court. And to be fair to them, nung una, nahuhulog yung mga tira nila sa labas.
Came in as the head coach of Pasig after the team's 6th game. Nagulat siya because the team had a 5-1 standing at the time, so he shares na it took Boss Buddy 4 hours. Ito nga itong si Coach Arvin ng Bataan last season, but he said being a part of Pasig this season is a new feat. In his words, how do I uplift an already winning team with my new system?
Benedictos continues to fire, continues to miss as well.
He loves that left wing pero hindi gumagana so far. Now,
Jem Cruz will launch a free and he hits it.
usually when you hesitate on a three like that, you don't go it, don't fire. The defense actually goes and closes out, especially like a shooter like him. Pero si Jem Cruz na-shoot ang tres pretty much like Aaron Estacio on the other end.
Pass to Jem Cruz. Way off on that free, pero nandoon si Miko Dizon on the weak side. 5 seconds left here in the third. Enough time, Miko Dizon will lay it in.
Buti na lang, nakatingin sila sa oras.
Yung sister daw ni Kirk, si Jackie, was her teammate. At sabi din niya, may pahabol pa. Nag-one-on-one na daw pala kayo ni Gianna.
Oh! As a veteran team, they want to be able to take advantage of those kinds of plays. Just like this, almost a turnover on the side of Bulacan. But they'll be lucky that they keep the ball alive and they swing the ball. It leaves someone open on the left wing.
We are tied 74 apiece. Straightaway jumper by Galicia will roll through. 26 points for Jacob Galicia.
Jacob Galicia, off of the catch, ang linis ng kanyang footwork. Obviously, no travels coming from Jacob.
Pasa ni Batak, papunta kay Bautista. Mintes, Batak. Pido taking his time. Pass it off. Japs Bautista on target from downtown.
Basketball turnover for Pasig.
Past the halfway point of the fourth, Medina continues his hot shooting from three. Backdoor cut, deflected, stolen away by Pasig City. Batak, pass to Jerome Garcia, strong drive to the cup.
You don't want to make your mistakes because like this, 2 turnovers straight, this could be another basket para dito sa Pasig.
Galicia going to work off the glass, 30 points, a career high.
Turnovers, ito lang nga pumapatay para dito sa Bulacan. You know, they're doing right. They're able to make their baskets right here. But whenever they make a mistake, Pasig is able to take advantage. Pero sa kabilang panig, masakit yan.
Contributing to the cause of Bulacan. Medina. Pass to Miko Dizon. Count it, plus the foul. Moralejo. Bumagsak si Keith Pido. Lumusob sa loob si Miko Dizon. Moralejo. Goes to Miko Dizon. Powers through and scores. 22 points. 17 in the second half for Miko Dizon. Wants a screen. Now he puts it on the floor. Pulls up and puts it in to give the lead back to Bulacan. Baseline inbound, Pido naghanap ng papasahan. Having trouble, Corpus. Jump shot is good. That's his first. Jem Cruz spots up, puts it in from downtown to open up the scoring here in overtime. To go along with 16 rebounds and 8 assists. Galicia sa poste. No whistle. Thought he got fouled. Galicia with another rebound. Pasa sa labas. Bautista. Matulis. Galicia the cleanup job. Jacob Galicia with 34 points.
Doon, mas basa na siya. They try to close him down. That's a good defense by Jacob Galicia. Chance for them to take the lead.
Bautista sa poste. Spins baseline. Floats it up and in. Short. Got it back. Benedictos will try. And get it to go!
He's been struggling all game.
Moralejo. Escapes, sidestep, dumps it down low. Medina is free in the paint.
Eho didn't force the issue, went for the drive. Even with 2 seconds left, still gave up that basketball to get the 2-pointer. Jacob Galicia.
Crucial free throws down the stretch. And they pull off a victory here. That shot will count for Mark Lopez. What a way for Bulacan.
2 games behind number 10. And this will keep them still hunting for new victories.
Best player of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Chipping in across the board was Jem Cruz.
Well, just talking about the whole statistics, kompleto ang binigay nito ni Jem Cruz. Wasn't the biggest impact in terms of him playing in 1 quarter, but all throughout the 5 quarters that we played, Jem Cruz stayed consistent, and that big